Welcome back to KP's Kingdom, Cooking with KP, and today I'm going to show you a great little recipe that you can make pretty quickly. I'm going to show you a little bit of what goes on behind a 2.1 kilo piece of pork shoulder. Right, I'm making up pulled pork. I'm doing it on the smoker. It's going to take me about 5 hours to do, maybe 6. But if you don't want to go through and learn how to do that, you can watch the video on how to do that if you like. You can actually buy pulled pork from your local supermarket. It's in the frozen or refrigerated meat section. But doing it yourself is so much nicer. Alright, so I'm making up my pulled pork just like that. Now, a real quick easy recipe, and this is a KP's Quickie episode. We're going to make up some pulled pork burgers. Mrs. KP's buttering up some buns. She's going to put those under the salamander until they go a little bit brown. A little bit of parmesan cheese on top, just like that. They're going to come out juicy, golden and looking like that. Alright, so this is quite an easy recipe to do if you want to buy the pre-prepped pulled pork, or you can do it yourself. Another way to do pulled pork yourself is put it into a slow cooker. I've done that before as well. A little bit of lettuce down, just like that. Really nice and simple. With a nice slice of tomato. Use a tomato of your choice. Heirlooms work really good. Now pop on some of our beautiful, freshly cooked pulled pork. We did this the night that we actually filmed the pulled pork recipe in the smoker. And I tell you what, the flavors are incredible and they are really filling, believe it or not. Right, put down some pulled pork. That has an apple cider vinegar dressing on it. I'm not going to put any other sauce. I am going to put some of my homemade dill pickles on there. I'll leave a link in the description on how to make those. They're really simple to do, and making your own dill pickles is so easy and so satisfying. Hope Mrs. KP is going to make those look really nice and pretty for you, and I'd love to see you try and make these ones at home. They are really easy, and don't forget to serve it up with some crinkle fries. Thank you so much for watching this video. Really do appreciate it. If you like this video, hit that like button. It gives me confidence, should make you feel warm and fuzzy too. Hit that notifications bell. You'll be notified every time a new video goes up. Don't forget to leave a comment. Love reading, love responding to them, and don't forget to share this video with all your friends on all platforms of social media. We are trying to get known KP's Kingdom out there. I'll have to eat my smoker pulled pork burgers, and I will catch you next time. Bye.